New destruction video. Okay, this is what's wrong about this RC car. There's something loose in there. So we're gonna start off this destruction with, the remote. Because this is the weak one. Wait, this point. Full swing. It will look like that. Oh my gosh. Now, last time, we got the steamer. Last time we were, having trouble getting the pickaxe out. Now we're having trouble getting the axe out. I got it. It's a clean hole. You miss. There you go. Hey! I want to do the rest. Look how much damage she did by just her swings. Now just poke it. That's the pointy part. That's the pointy part. The tough part is the back. Get all those parts out.
Oh my gosh.
Anyways, nothing happened at all. Not like the machete just came right at my foot.
Whoa!
Chopped in half. Well, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye.